Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. In this video I'll be talking about some massive news from Tesla. He invested 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, so that's really good news. So that's what I'll be talking about in this video. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your research before consulting my video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing in finance. 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. So they don't need to worry, they have tons of cash, so they don't need to worry about not having enough cash for future Tesla projects like new cars, factories, examples. This is more confidence on this cryptocurrency, the richest man on earth. So him investing in Bitcoin just gives investors a bit more confidence. So what this means is that this Security and Exchange Commission thinks that Tesla thinks that cryptocurrency is going to be the future. Hence why they're saying maximize return on our cash. So that's really good news. Tesla also said they will start accepting payments in Bitcoin in exchange for its products. There's hardly any companies that accept Bitcoin as a payment method, and Tesla's doing that. It's great news. He had put on his Twitter status #Bitcoin. So it shot up Bitcoin prices up. Every time Elon Musk tweets about a stock or cryptocurrency, it tends to go up. Elon Musk promotes Dogecoin, which is a meme cryptocurrency. Where Bitcoin went, it went from 0.03 to 0.07. So he was actually interviewed by some paparazzi people and talking about if Bitcoin was the future. The video up here and link in the description if you guys want to watch it. When it was announced that Tesla bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, price shot up. On Monday it was 39,000, then it shot up 20% in 2 days. Should you invest in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency? They are based on speculation, so that's why I think you should not invest. If you do want to invest, I have some criteria you should meet before investing. Not financial advice. So the first criteria is that you have an emergency fund worth 3 to 6 months expense. The second one is you have a stable income. The third one is you have a good amount of money invested in stocks and ETFs. And the last one is you are prepared to lose your money when you invest in cryptocurrency. So depending on your income, I would only invest 10% of your income per month on Bitcoin because it's highly speculative. I think cryptocurrency is a good investment because it's good to have diversification. That's why I think you should have 10% of your income on cryptocurrency. So that's the reason why. Let's say you want to start investing in Bitcoin and you're in $1,000 per month. That's just an example. So in the month, if it's red next month on any day, put $100, which is 10% of 1,000 on Bitcoin, and do that consistently because we want to average down the cost. The reason we buy the reds is we catch the dip and we ride it up to its highs. We've seen never buy on a high, always buy on the dip. But you just keep doing this consistently throughout your years, you build out your position in Bitcoin. Since you buy the dips, you'll maximize your profit and you ride it right up to its highs. It's highly speculative, so you have to go in with the mindset that you're going to lose all your money, because we never know what's going to happen with cryptocurrency. It's not a short-term investment. We're holding Bitcoin for a good 20 years plus. So yeah, that's my opinion. And only invest money you're prepared to lose. So I invest 10% of my income every year. If I lose 10% of my income, I'm okay with that because I know it's highly speculative and I can lose all my money. So please know the risk of investing in Bitcoin. That was my whole talk on should you invest in Bitcoin because of this news. So I usually don't talk about cryptocurrency, but since Tesla invested 1.5 billion, I do think it was important to talk about this. So if you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to me and like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing in finance. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and see you guys in the next one. Happy investing.